right, what is going on? Here we are. We're in the shop right now. We got the deleted L5P. We're gonna undelete it tonight. We're gonna make it actually fast for once.
We love emissions.
Just because it's in my shop.
Emissions. We love emissions. We're putting double depth tanks on it tonight.
That's right, boys. Damn, bro, you need to clean this hoe.
Hey, it's supposed to rain like tomorrow.
I don't give a shit. Anyways, so with that being said, he ordered some extra piping and shit for his truck, and we're gonna bring y'all along, and we'll go from there. So, bro, why is it so slow?
It's a Duramax, bro. They're slow.
Mine ain't. That's right, boys.
Yeah, that heater's gonna make the video very annoying to watch.
It actually will.
It's gonna be a time lapse right now. That's right. It just zoomed in on your face the whole time. Damn, that is not good. You're not supposed to have water in there.
Wait a minute.
That's why it's slow. That's why it's running like shit.
That's why it's running like dog ass. All right, so what you want to do is you just want to grab and start ripping shit off.
Call this number for vehicle emission control information.
I swear to God.
What's the company for burnt turbo blankets?
Oh yeah, you gonna pull it off?
No.
Is that how bad it is?
You showed me the
No,
other
I'll
day.
pull it off. Hey, no, Ugga Duggas, no. No, chill.
Start undoing
Just
shit.
chill.
Was that a rock that just came out of that?
Hey, that just fell out of... Those
Probably
from-
for
that's
me.
from urine.
For me. Imagine losing to a cum in the front.
It was because of this, though. I
me
got in the
see.
turbo.
Many people
I swear
have.
to God.
Let me see
Many
it.
people still will. All right.
Oh my God, his eyes got big as.
Yeah, that just means you need to get a new turbo.
No, dude, don't. Please don't. Me.
All you hear is it's just fucking around in there.
I wonder what this is. I'm gonna unplug it.
Wonder what that is.
Watch it so not be connected.
Right, backside, bottom, switch. It's just a little on and off switch.
This better be included in the video.
Are you shitting me?
No está bien. No está bien.
What?
Dude, I can't play this song around y'all. Hey, let me see what all you got. Let me look.
Never thought you'd ask.
Bro, let me see your piping, bro.
No, wait, bro.
Bro! What is this shit? Oh!
The air's from China.
I mean, we're dying anyway, so. Why'd you get black?
Because look, this one starts down there. You can't see it.
This is dumb. You shouldn't even paid the extra money to get it powder coated. You should have just left it.
Free. Black is free.
Well, you know what ain't free? My labor.
Dude, I don't know if
Pull
you
that
said-
off.
It's gonna take a needle dig to get to that.
Well, shit, move. I got you. I guess say no more.
Cuts to a cutscene of Baywatch where that fat f***'s running across the beach. 5 seconds, 5.
Alexis, Texas.
Okay, I respect it. Respect it.
What about you?
Me? Oh, I don't know. I didn't have a favorite. I like them all.
No, you realize because you have to take the whole thing off to get the filter out. Because the piece don't move. Bro. Shut up, bro.
It's gonna be the first thing that gets sucked in this.
Oh no.
Are you sure it fell right in there?
I'm 99% sure.
Pretty sure, huh? Okay. So it fell right there where you're digging? It did, huh?
From what I saw, but hell, it flickered in the light, and then I lost sight of it.
I think I lost sight of it too.
You're a motherfucker. Give me that motherfucker. I'm gonna beat your fucking ass. When did you grab that bitch?
Dude, I had it before you even put the headlight on.
Hey, motherfucker. I'm gonna beat you. I swear to God, dude.
Oh my God. That's funny.
That is funny.
That is funny.
Where was it though? Seriously, no bullshit.
Oh shit! It was in the valley.
It was?
Yeah.
You just got it before I got my lamp?
Yeah, I mean, I had it out before you even
You're a dick, bro. You're a fucking dick. I didn't pull any shit like that with you on your car.
Alrighty, here's an update for everybody. This was a pain in the ass to get out. You see all that built up sludge in there? He's got it all in there. There's a bunch of built up sludge on the end right there. That goes right into the turbo inlet. Anyway, long story short, we're replacing it with the L5P. Shout out to Cutie here. She helped get the bolt out, the inside bolt. That was a pain in the ass. With some long ass needle nose, we got it. Anyways though, here we are. We're going back with it. I figured I'd throw on the GoPro battery died, so I figured I'd throw on
Well, let me see the GoPro.
the GoPro again.
Wow, that one's about to die, so I'll have to put in another one.
So before it dies real quick, this one's about to die apparently, so I'm gonna do another one. Anyways, long story short, we're about to go back with it, and we're gonna change batteries, and we're gonna pick back up, and I'm gonna put this back in. You wanna cut that off? No, hey, that'll work. Just slide it on there.
I can't though. That's it.
It will, watch. Ugga dugga dugga dugga. I'm ugga dugging, bro. I'm ugga dugging. I would pull that shit off.
But no, I need something though to keep from burning my truck down. This is the only thing that's keeping it from doing that. Because at least this is meant to
Why don't you take that certain shit out and then just leave the actual blanket?
So I really don't want to touch it because it's fiberglass.
I see that. Just put it back on for now.
Well, I'm gonna leave it off while I read.
Oh yeah, go for it. Well, set that on the side somewhere. I don't want to breathe that shit in. Good shit. Good toss. Alrighty, so for part one of the L5P turbo inlet, we got it installed. There you go. We'll pick back up tomorrow. Alrighty, here we are. It's the next day. We're gonna try to replace this pipe for his. Basically, what this does and what it is it's your boost tube.
One eternity later.
Well, so what he's doing right now is we just said, F it. We don't want to keep trying to fight that one bolt, so, and we don't want to have to get it all the way back off and go back on with it, so, because we've already got it all stabbed and it's hooked up down there at least. So the top side here though, we're gonna loosen it and we're gonna adjust it and try to get it on there a little bit better. And then after that, we're gonna start it up and hear how she sounds after we get this in.
No leaks.
So, look at that.
Holy shit.
No, I can't.
Nope, I can't.
It's the angle, see? I can't get nothing to fit in between those. All right, so for those that are watching, he didn't need that brace anyway, so it is what it is. The pain in the ass thing is getting this clip out up top, but once you figure out how to work it, it's not that big of a deal. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go put it under load and let it start building some boost on the road. But that's what we're gonna do, and I don't know, we're gonna roll with it. Oh, when it comes off, you'll know.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Well, no. By easing into it, was it easy?
Well, you don't hear, it's real quiet right now.
Usually easing into it, I can build 30, you know what I'm saying?
Right. Yeah, it came off. I guess just eased into it right here going up the hill. You'll build enough boost, I promise. Alrighty, what is going on? Here we are. And long story short, it just the clamp broke and it was just pain in the ass. But anyway, so he ended up getting a whole new one. He tried using the kit that they sent with Whirly, and he ended up snapping and fucking up the snap ring that goes in there.
You have to buy the whole pipe.
Yeah, he had to buy the whole pipe. So he ended up buying the factory new one, because the factory one ain't that bad, to be honest. It's just they're notorious for leaking at the bottom down there, which is the issue he's already having. But this one sheared and snapped, completely snapped that snap ring off, which is not fine, but it is what it is. So he decided he would go ahead, and he wanted to then just replace it with the factory OEM. I don't know, we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna see if it'll hold boost. It should now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let him get all this back on, which ain't gonna take him, what, 2 seconds, which is right now. And plug your mass airflow back in. And that's really about it right now.